Good morning students. Today we are going to learn about the third unit HCF and LCM. What is the meaning of HCF? The highest common factor. What is meaning of LCM? Least common multiples. Least common multiples. Okay. HCF means stands for highest common factor. Okay, and then LCM. LCM means least or lowest common multiples. Okay, today you will see the HCF and LCM. What is the meaning of factor? What is meaning of factor? A number that can divide a given number exactly. Given number exactly without leaves the remainder. Okay, without leaving any remainder, that is called factor. So what is the meaning of factor? A number that can divide a given number exactly without leaving any remainder. Say example. So 9 divided by 3. Okay, what is the value? 3. So the remainder will be 0. So any number are leaving in this division. Okay, so 9 divided by 3 we get the value of 3. So for the example for the factor. And next multiples means multiples. Multiple means a multiplier of any natural number multiplied by a number. Okay, so see, a multiple any natural is a number formed by multiplying it by another number. Another natural number. Okay, so factor means a number divided by a given number exactly. Given number exactly without leaving any remainder. That is called the factor. And then multiple means a multiple of any natural number is a number formed by multiplying it by another natural number. So multiples 3 3s are okay, 4 into 5, 4 5s are, these are the multiples. Okay, these are the multiples. 3 3s are 9, 4 5s are 20. So these are called the multiples. Okay, now see HCF. Example, let us find the HCF and LCM of 30. Okay, 36 and then 45. 30, 36 and 45. Finding their common factor. Find their common factors means HCF, common factor, and then common multiples. First we have find out the common factor for the 30, 36, 45. After find out the common multiple for 30, 36 and 45. Okay, see, first we find out the common factors. Okay, so factor of 30 first. Okay, so what are the factors? So it is 1 divided, is it? Divided by 1 we get the remainder as 0, and at the same time 2, 3, 4 is not possible, is it? And 5, 6, 6 5s are 30, and then 10 table, and then 15 2s are 30 1s are 30. And next write the factor of 36. So what are the factors? 1, 2, 3, is it? So what is the meaning of factor? A number divided by a given number exactly without leaving any remainder. Remainder direct என்ன வந்திருக்குமா 0 இருக்கும் அப்படிதானே சரியா so next 4 table 4 9s are and then 5 table it's not possible and then 6 table 7 table 8 is not possible 9 4s are 36 and then 12 3s are and then 18 2s are and final one is 36 1s are. Next write the factor of 45. 1, so here 5, so you shouldn't divide it in 3 table is possible, is it? 3, 5, 6 is not possible, 7 is also not possible, 8 is 9, okay, 9 and then 15 and as last one 45. These are the factor of the 30, 36, 45. Now write the common factors. Okay, so let us find the HCF and LCM of these values. Now write the common factor for these are all. Okay, the common factor is equal to, what are the common factors here? Three. Any other numbers? No, the 1 is common for all the factors. 1 is common for the all the factors. So the common factor of which are the numbers 30, 36 and 45 is equal to 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Okay. Next find the common multiples. Common multiples. Multiples of 30. So what are the values? Multiple of which are the numbers multiply? 30. 30 first, right? Next 60. 30 30 added. Okay, and then 90 and then 120 and then 150, 180 to 10. So endlessly going. And next, multiples of 36. Multiples of 36. Start from 36. Next one 72. And then 108. Next 144. And then 180. Okay. And next one multiple of 45. Multiple of 45. 45, 90, and then 135, and then add 45, we get 180, etc. again. Now write the common multiples. Now write the common multiples. 180. 180 is a common multiple for the numbers 30, 36 and 45. Okay. So 180. Okay. Now write. Now what do you find out? Let me find out the HCF and LCM. Okay. Here the common factor is 1 and 3. Okay. So which one has greatest common factor? 3. Greatest. This is common factor. Moon numbers common factors என்னதுமா 1 3 இதுல greatest one என்னது 3. So HCF is equal to result. Okay. HCF of 30, 36 and 45 is equal to, what is that? 3 is the HCF. And next here, the common multiples of 30, 36, 45 is 180. So least also that's one. Okay. So LCM also, that is LCM is equal to 180. So LCM of 30, 36, 45 is equal to 180. Okay. I hope you all understand the HCF and LCM. How do you find out the HCF? First write the common factor for all the given numbers. After write the common factors. Which one is greatest one? We have considered the highest common factor. Okay. And then LCM. So write the multiples of the given numbers. After which one is common for the given 3 numbers of the multiples. Okay, after write the least common. Here we got only one is common. So directly write 180 is the least common multiples. Least common multiples. Now see the revision exercise. Okay. Revision. Find all the factors of the following. So just to find out the factors. First one. Okay. A. So 27 is given. So what are the factors for 27? So it can divide in 1 and also write clearly. Okay. So solution. Form factors. Factor of 27. Okay. So it is divided by 1. Okay. And then 3 table. And then 4 is not possible. 5 is also not possible. And then 6, 7, 8, 9 table. 9 3s are 27. Okay. And then 10, 11, 12. Because otherwise it's not possible. And finally 27 table. So what are the factors for 27? 1, 3, 9 and 27. Okay. Now see the B problem. 32 is given. So solution, factor of 32 is equal to, which are the numbers divide 32? 1, 2, 3 is not possible. 4 is possible or not? Possible. 8 4s are 32. So 4, 5 is not possible, 6 is also not possible, 7 not possible, and then 8. Okay, and then 16 table, and then finally 32 table. So what are the factors of 32? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. Okay, C and D problems are homework. Now move to the second problem. Find the HCF of using common factors. Using common factor. First one, first write the common factors. For 12 and 16 is given. Okay, solution, write the factors of 12. So factor of 12, what are the numbers? It can divide 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it? 5 is not possible, 6 and then 12. These are the factor of 12. And then factor of 16. Which are the number divide 16? 1, 2, 3 is not possible, 4, 5 is not possible, 6 not possible, 7, 8, 8 twos are, so 8. 8 twos are 16, and then finally 16 table. So which are the factors of 16? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. What we find out here? HCF. Okay, here find out the HCF. Now mark the common factors. 1 is common, 2 is common, and 4 also common. Okay, write the common factor of 12 and 16 is equal to 1, 2, 4. We have need, what do we find out? HCF, highest common. So these are all the common factors. Which one is greatest value? 4. So therefore HCF of 12 and 16 is 14. Sorry, 4 is 4. Okay, and next one, 15th B, 15, 35. 15 and 35 is given. Solution, factor of 15. So which are the tables? 1 table, and then 3 table, and then 5 table, and finally 15 table. Is it? And next factor of 35. It can divide in 1 table, and 3 is not possible, 4, 5, 6 is not possible, 7 table, 7 5s are 35, and then 8 table it's not possible, 9, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, no, 14, 15, 16, it's not possible, is it? So last finally it is divided in the 35 table. 35 table. Now write the common factor. Common factor of 15 and 35 is equal to, what are the values? 1 and 5. We have find out the highest common factor. Which one is highest value here? 5. Therefore HCF of 15 and 35 is 5. Remaining two problems are homework. Okay. Now see the third problem. Find the LCM of the following. Find the LCM of the following. First one, A. 7 and 9 is given. Solution. What we do? LCM, least common multiples. So first write the multiple of 7. Okay. And then multiple of 9, 7, and multiple of 9. These are the multiples of 7 and 9. Which are the numbers are common? 63. 63 is a common multiple of 7 and 9. Common multiple of 7 and 9. Okay, right. The common multiple of 7 and 9 is 63. Okay, that's all. So only one, so least common multiple LCM is also, that is LCM is 63. LCM also 63. And now see the B problem. Eleven and 22 is given. 11 and 22 is given. Solution. Multiple of 11. Multiple of 11. 11, 22, 33, 44, okay, 55, 66, 57, 88. Thusly going, and then multiple of 22. Is equal to 22, 44, 66, 88, and then 110. Okay, stop with this. Now write the common multiples. Common multiple of 11 and 22 is, which are the common? 44, 60, 60, and then 88, and then 110. Okay, so common multiple of 11 and 22 is 22, 44, 66, 88, 110, 110. So endlessly going like that. Okay, so stop with here. And next we have need the least common multiples. What is mean by least common multiples? Lowest common multiple. Which one is lowest value here? 22. So LCM is 22. Therefore the LCM is 22. Remaining two problems homework. Remaining two problems are homework. See next one, fourth one. Fill in the blanks using the following words or numbers in the box. First one, the HCF of 7 and 16 is dash. So 7 is a odd number and 16 is a even number. So I see first one, first one, 7. HCF of 7 and 16 is given. Okay, so 7, what are the factors? 1 and 7. Factors, factor of 7 is equal to 1 and 7. And then what are the factors of 16? 1. Okay, factors of 16, 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. 8 and 16. We need the highest common factor. First of all, write the common factors. Here only one common factor. Common factor is 1. So therefore HCF is 1. Therefore HCF is 1. So HCF of 7 and 16 is 1. And B problem, a number is a dash of each of its factors. The number is a dash of each of its factors. Okay, so given the multiples of each of the factors, is it? So multiples. So answer is second one, multiples. Number is a multiple of each of its factor. Each of its factor. Okay, and C, The LCM of 10, 15 and 20 is, so LCM, so write the multiples of 10, 15 and 20. Multiples of, first write 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, okay, endlessly going. And then multiple of 15, 15, 30, 45, 60, and then 75, so endlessly going. And then next multiple of 20, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, endlessly going. Now write the common multiples. Which are the terms common here? 60. 60 is a common. So the common multiples of 10, 15 and 20 is equal to 60. Here what we find out? LCM. LCM of 10, 15 least common multiples. கண்டிப்பா இதாதான் இருக்கும். First one 60. So therefore LCM of these are all is equal to 60. The LCM of 10, 15 and 20 is 60. And deep one, the number of factor of 36 is, so choice is 9 is given, so number of factor is factor of 36 is 9, okay. And then E problem, that is a multiple of 11. So clearly we know that the choice is given 1331 should divided by 11, okay. So it's also a multiple of 11, okay, is a multiple of 11, multiple of 11. This is the fourth problem. And fifth and sixth are homework, okay. Fifth and sixth are homework. Now next one, see the properties of factor. Now see the properties of factors. The first property, every non-zero number is a factor. Every non-zero numbers a factor means without zero, zero இல்லாத மீதி எல்லா நம்பர்ஸ்மே அதோடைய ஃபேக்டர்ஸ் தான் அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க itself, okay. So example 5 divided by, so 5 itself divided we get a 1, okay. So here 5 is a factor itself, அதே நம்பரால் என்ன செஞ்சுருக்கோம், டிவைட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஸோ இது அந்த நம்பருடைய itself நம்பர், அதே நம்பர் தான் அதுக்கு என்னவாகவும் இருக்கலாம், ஃபேக்டராகவும் இருக்கலாம். அப்போது எல்லா நம்பருக்கும் அந்த நம்பர் அதோடைய நம்பர் என்னவாக தான் இருக்கும், ஃபேக்டராக தான் இருக்கும். 5 நீங்கள் கன்சிடர் பண்ணுங்க. அப்போ 6 டிவைடட் பை 6 டிவைடட் பை 6. இப்போ 6ங்கிறது இட்செல்ஃப்னால் அதே நம்பர் அதுக்கு என்னவா இருக்கலாம், ஃபேக்டராக இருக்கலாம். அப்போ எவ்ரி நான் ஜீரோ நம்பர், ஜீரோவை தவிர, ஓகேவா, மீதி எல்லா நம்பர்ஸும் அது அதனுடைய நம்பருக்கு எதுவாக தான் இருக்கும், ஃபேக்டராக தான் இருக்கும் அப்படிங்கிறத ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி, ஓகேவா. ஸோ எவ்ரி நான் ஜீரோ நம்பர் இஸ் அ ஃபேக்டர் ஆஃப் இட் செல்ஃப். அண்ட் செகண்ட் ஒன் இஸ் அ ஃபேக்டர் ஆஃப் எவ்ரி நம்பர். 1 வந்து எல்லா நம்பர்ஸுக்குமே என்னது தான், ஃபேக்டராக இருக்கும். எல்லா இதுவுமே என்ன செய்யும், 1ஆல் டிவைட் ஆகும். ஸோ காமன் ஃபார் ஆல் த நம்பர்ஸ். ஸோ 1 இஸ் அ ஃபேக்டர் ஆஃப் எவ்ரி number. So 5 divided by 1, 6 divided by 100 divided by 1 is equal to 100. Okay, and then every third property, every non-zero number is a factor of 0, factor of 0. So you see 0 divided by 5. Here 5 and 12 are the factor of 0. 5 and 12 is a factor of zeros. Okay, and fourth one property, the factors of a numbers are finite. Is it? Factors எல்லாமே என்ன ஆயிடுமா finite number ஆ தான் இருக்கும். For example, factors நம்ம இப்போ 30 க்கு எழுதுறோம்னா what are the factors? 1 table 1 ஆல divide ஆகும், and then 2 table, 3 table, 4 is not possible, 5, 6, and then finally 30. So finished. இதோட என்ன ஆயிடுச்சு, the factors வந்து முடிஞ்சிருச்சு. அந்த ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் தான் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, the factors of a numbers are finite. முடிஞ்சிரும். finite number of factors, எல்லா ஃபேக்டருமே எப்படி தான் இருக்கும், முடியக்கூடியதாக இருக்கும். அப்படிங்கிறது என்னது fourth property. Next see the properties of multiples, that is the properties of factors. These are all the properties of the factors. Here the properties of multiples, every number is a multiple of itself. Is it? 3 ones are 5 ones are is equal to 5, 3 ones are 3. So here 3 is a multiple of 3. 3 அதோட அதே நம்பருக்கு என்னவா தான் இருக்கும், மல்டிபிள்ஸாக தான் இருக்கும். ஓகேவா? அண்ட் தென் எவ்ரி நம்பர் இஸ் அ மல்டிபிள் ஆஃப் 1. அங்கே ஃபேக்டர் 1 அதே மாதிரி தான், சேம் தான். அங்கே ஃபேக்டர்ஸு, இங்கே மல்டிபிள்ஸ், that is difference. Okay, so every number is a multiple of 1. எல்லா நம்பரும் எதாக இருக்கும், 1ஆல் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணலாம். சரியா? ஸோ 1 3s are, and then 1 5s are 5, 1 3s are 3, 1 6 are 6. So here the 1 is a multiple of 3, and then final the multiples of a number are infinite. Infinite, this is the example for this one. Okay, so infinite, is it? For example, the same number we have considered, write the multiples. This is a factor. Okay, factor of 30. Now here write multiple of 30. What are the multiples? Write 3. Multiple of 3, 3, 6, 9, and then 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. So endlessly going, endlessly going. That is the third property. The multiples of a number are infinite, but the factor of a number are finite. That is the difference between the factors and multiples. I hope you all understood the today concept of properties of factors and properties of multiplication and HCF and LCM. Thank you, students.